let us learn about CPU of a computer. Though all parts of a computer are important, CPU is said to be the brain of the computer. A central processing unit consists of arithmetic and logical unit, control unit, memory unit. Arithmetic and logical unit does all the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and comparisons. Control unit controls the flow of data from input devices to the processor, and output from the processor to the output devices. Registers are memory units present in the CPU which stores data and information which are immediately required for operation. All these parts inside the CPU are connected to other parts of the computer using address buses, data buses and control buses. Let us now learn about computer data storage units. These are simply called as storage or memory. Computer memory is broadly divided into two categories: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is otherwise called main memory. It is the only one directly accessible to the CPU. The CPU continuously reads instructions stored here and executes them as required. Primary memory is further classified into RAM, ROM, and cache. Secondary storage, or memory, is further classified into internal storage and external, or offline storage. Click on each tab to know more. RAM is random access memory. It is very fast, and is used to store data and programs which a computer processor is currently processing. It is volatile. That is, it loses its contents when the power is switched off. ROM is read-only memory. It can also be quite fast. It is used to store data which will not need to change, such as software to start up and run an electronic device, or for the basic startup functions of a computer. It is non-volatile. Cache memory. It is a bit like RAM, except it's built right inside a processor, and is even faster than RAM. It's used by the processor to avoid having to slow down to the speed of the RAM all the time. Like RAM, it is also volatile. The internal secondary storage is otherwise called auxiliary memory. Unlike primary memory, CPU cannot directly access the secondary memory. Secondary memory does not lose the data when power supply is lost. Hence it is non-volatile. Internal hard disk drive is a typical example for secondary memory devices. Secondary storage can be done via external, removable devices too. Such secondary storage is called offline storage. USB flash drives, external hard disks, CD-ROM, are some examples for offline storage.